concept, maximum or minimum values of a quadratic expression. So I am taking a quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic expression. So for this quadratic expression, the maximum value or minimum value, only one value is exist, either it is maximum or minimum. So depends upon a. So if a is greater than 0, then the expression contains a maximum, which is equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. So if a is greater than 0, maximum 4ac minus b square by 4a. If a is less than 0, the minimum value is also 4ac minus b square by 4a. So why I am taking, let us consider this is the function f of x. F of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So for maximum or minimum values, we do differentiation f dash x equal to x square differentiation 2a 2x x differentiation 1 plus b. So for maximum and minimum values, f dash x make it equal to 0. So x equal to plus b bringing outside minus b by 2a. So x equal to minus b by 2a. If we substitute x equal to minus b by a x square plus bx plus c. A of minus b by 2a whole square plus b of minus b by 2a plus c. Next, so a into square of negative plus b square by 4a square. B into minus b square by 2a plus c. So 1 of a getting cancelled. Next, so taking LCM 4a b square, 4a by 2a, 2 into minus b square minus 2b square, 4a into c, 4ac. So 4ac minus b square minus 2b square minus b square by 4a. So this is either maximum or minimum. So when it is maximum, when it is minimum. So if we observe, so this is f dash x. What is f dash x? F dash x equal to 2ax plus b. So I want to check whether it is maximum or minimum. So double dash f double dash of x equal to, so 2a into derivative of x 1 plus derivative of b 0. 2a into 1 equal to 2a. So f double dash of minus b by 2a. So it is the function value. So minus b by 2a. We are checking it minus b by 2a is equal to 2a. So f double dash x is greater than 0, then it contains minimum. So if it is greater than 0, a greater than 0, then what happen? Minimum. If a less than 0, it contains maximum. So this is the concept about maximum and minimum values. One more time. So maximum and minimum, ax square plus bx plus c, the expression I am taking. Let us take f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c, taking the derivative 2x square derivative 2ax plus x derivative 1 plus b, constant derivative 0. So make 2ax plus b equal to 0, x equal to minus b by 2a. So if x equal to minus b by 2a, either it contains maximum or minimum. Okay. So I want to substitute minus b by 2a in the given expression. Then we got to 4ac minus b square by 4a. Either it is maximum or minimum. It is depends upon a value, because f double dash x if we are doing, we are getting 2a. If a is positive, f double dash x is positive. If a is negative, f double dash x is negative. So if f double dash is positive, then the expression, then the functional value is minimum. If f double dash x less than 0, it is maximum. Next, so based on this, 8th question we will do. First bit 8th question. So in the first bit 8th question, find the changes of the signs. So we need a sign and also extreme values. Extreme is nothing but either it is maximum or minimum. X square minus 5x plus 6. So x square minus 5x plus 6, this expression is given. We need to find extreme values as well as signs. So first, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. So x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. X common, x minus 2. Minus 3 common, x minus 2 equal to 0. If we are taking x minus 2 common, x minus 3 equal to 0. Either x equal to or 3. So here we are getting real roots. A equal to 1 greater than 0. B equal to minus 5. C equal to 6. So here A value positive. A value positive. So A value positive, we expression is negative if. So opposite sign. A positive and expression negative. When it is possible, x belong to 2 comma 3. So if x lies between 2 comma 3, then it is negative. So expression is positive if x less than 2 or x greater than 3. So expression positive means A is positive, expression positive. Both are having same sign. Same sign means, so either it should be less than alpha or it should be greater than beta. So, and A value positive, it contains minimum value. What is the minimum value? 4ac minus b square by 4a. I want to substitute 4 into a, 1, c value 6 minus b minus 5 whole square by 4 into a value 1. 4 into 6 24 minus 25 by 4 equal to minus 1 by 4. This is the minimum value. Minus 1 by 4 is the minimum value of the expression. Okay, next the second one. Coming to the second one, 15 plus 4x minus 3x square. 15 plus 4x minus 3x square. So I want to finding the roots. So if we are finding the roots, 15 plus 4x minus 3x square equal to 0, multiply with negative 3x square minus 4x minus 15 equal to 0. So 15 into 3 45, 3x square minus 9x plus 5x minus 15 equal to 0. So 3x common, x minus 3 plus 5 common, x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 common, 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Either x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 5 by 3. So x values either 3 or minus 5 by 3. So if we are taking these values, a equal to minus 3 greater than 0, b equal to 4, c equal to 15. A minus 3, b 4, c 15. So roots are real, alpha and beta. These roots are real roots. If these roots are real roots, if it lies between, what happen? So a value negative, expression is negative if x belong to, expression is negative, x belong to what? Minus 5 by 3 to 3. In this expression is negative. So negative, already it is negative, so it is positive. Minus 3 is less than 0 here. It is a equal to minus 3 less than 0. This is negative, this is positive, opposite side. X belong to minus 5 by 3 to 3. Expression is negative if x less than minus 5 by 3 or x greater than 3. Now I want to find a is negative, so we will get maximum value, maximum 4ac minus b square by 4a, which is equal to 4 into a value how much? Minus 3. C value equal to 15 minus b value equal to 4 square by 4 into a value equal to minus 3. So a minus 3, c 15, b 4. So 4 into 15, 60 into minus 3, minus 180. 15 into 3, 45 into 4, 180, minus 16 by minus 12. So minus 196 by minus 12. Minus minus cancel. So cancel with 4. Minus minus cancel 4. 4 into 4 16. 3 36. 4 into 9. So 49 by. So cancel with 4. We are getting 3. 49 by 3. 3b first bit 9th question. Find the maximum or minimum values of the following expressions. 9th question first bit. First one, x square minus x plus 7. So this is the expression we need to find out maximum or minimum values. So I want to compare with ax square plus bx plus c. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to 7. So a equal to plus 1, it is greater than 0. Since it is greater than 0, it attains minimum value. So minimum equal to formula 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4 of a 1 c 7 minus b square minus 1 whole square by 4 into 1. 4 into 7 28 minus 1 square equal to 1 by 4 equal to 27 by 4. So this is the minimum value 27 by 4. Next, coming to the second, 12x minus x square minus 32. So I want to compare with ax square plus bx plus c. X square coefficient a equal to minus 1, b equal to 12, c equal to minus 32. Now a equal to minus 1, it is negative value. So the function, this polynomial which contains a maximum value 4ac minus b square by 4a. So I want to substitute these values. 4 into minus 1 into minus 32 minus b square 12 square by 4 into a minus 1. Minus into minus plus 32 into 4 128 minus 12 square 144 by 4 into minus 1 minus 4. 128 minus 144 equal to minus 16 by minus 4. Minus minus cancel. 16 by 4 equal to 4. So this 4 is the maximum value. Maximum equal to plus 4. Next, third one. Third one is 2x plus 5 minus 3x square. So this is the third expression. So compare with ax square plus bx plus c. A equal to minus 3, b equal to plus 2, c equal to 5, a equal to minus 3, which is less than 0. Since a is negative, the expression is contains a maximum value. Maximum equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4 into a minus 3, c 5 minus 2 square by 4 into minus 3. 4 into minus 3 minus 12 into 5 minus 60. 2 square 4 by minus 12 minus 64 by minus 12 minus minus cancel. Cancel with 4. 16 by 3. So maximum value is equal to 16 by 3. Next, fourth, ax square plus bx plus c. So here ax square plus bx plus c I am taking plus a is the question. Ax square plus bx plus a. A equal to a, b equal to b, c equal to a. So now I am taking, we don't know a is positive or negative. So if a less than 0, then it is maximum. If a greater than 0, then it is minimum. So minimum or maximum equal to 4ac minus b square by 4a. 4a into c is also equal to a minus b square by 4a. 4a into a square minus b square by 4a. So it contains either maximum or minimum, depends upon a value. A less than 0 maximum, a greater than 0 minimum. The maximum or minimum value of this expression is 4a square minus b square by 4a.